Good morning. Good morning again. Good morning. Yes, we're going to play give you our project fixing my apartment. Oh, what's happening here? Oh my God. My window is cracked. Oh my God. No, the wall is stained with ketchup marks. Oh, that's such a disaster. What is it? What is it? What is it? Wait. No, it's not him. It's not him. No. Here. We don't want to. No. Walter.
Hi, Julian.
Hi, brother. I need help.
Big day. Julian, it's too early. What happened?
Well, I had a party yesterday and my house is a total disaster right now.
Wow. I see that you need a lot of help. What can I do for you?
My window is cracked. My wall is stained with marble ketchup. Oh my God. So can you help, please?
Julian, your friends are artists or what?
You're so funny. You're so funny. Well,
Yeah.
you can quickly.
But I can tell you with some paint. And my father has a paint that doesn't use. I can tell you with this.
Oh my house is total disaster. Oh my God, my phones are burning out. Oh, what I can do? Well,
But
can
yeah.
you come here?
Oh yeah, give me 30 minutes and I will go to see you.
All right. Quickly. If you have.
Bye-bye.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Julia.
Look at
Show me all this after.
Really? Yes, it's a total disaster.
Wow, Julia. I think that you need more than the help that I think.
I have another problem too.
What is the other problem?
My drawer is closed, so I need to repair it immediately. I don't know what they do.
For that case, I have a solution.
Tell me.
I have a friend.
Yeah?
If he can help you.
Yeah?
He's an expert with this case. I think that he can help you.
Please, call him.
Okay, give me a minute. Hi, Robert. Yes, I need your help. Okay, I have a friend that has his house in all disaster. He needs that you be here. Okay, Raul, I will wait you. Bye, Raul. Wait. He said that he can help you, but you need to go first to his maestro because you need to buy some light bulbs. You need to buy windows because your windows is cracked.
You believe? Yeah, I can see.
If you don't like the paint, we can buy.
They are in an artist. They are in artist.
Yes, but your friend.
I don't know what they feel when I watch another city dancing, I don't know what it's like. I don't know. But my house is a total disaster. But your friend, can
He's very capable. He can help you.
so is he an expert with?
Yes, I recommend that you wait for him.
Yes.
Yes. He don't believe in your house.
Oh, how many times how many times
How long? Ah, you
How
want
long
what?
time?
that's the time
How long will he take repairing?
Yes.
It depends on
Depends
the problem.
Depends problem.
with your walls, your windows, and your lights. Yes. All is depending on this. He can tell you. I am very sure that we will do a solution for this.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
He'll bring a solution or he'll get a
Yes.
solution.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.